Hi everyone, I want to make a really quick video showing you how to make a multi-page PDF and save it to Google Drive to use it to upload to Canvas if you have an iPhone. I want to make two statements before I go into all of the details. So first of all, if you have a really old iPhone, you may not have the Files app on your phone because that is a slightly more recent update of the operating system. So if your phone isn't up to date, you're not going to have it. What you should do in that case is you can still scan using your camera, but you can just email it to yourself and then drag it into your Google Drive. So that is what you should do. Now, if you are using an Android phone, Android and Google are one and the same, right? So you have the Google app native to your phone. You don't have to download any aspect of the Google suite. And the Android platform actually comes native with the ability to scan documents. So you can scan documents directly into Google Drive on an Android phone, and you can make it have as many pages as you want. Just don't stop scanning until you're done. On an Apple device, because Apple is not married to Google in the same way that Android is, you actually have to add 2 extra steps in order to be able to upload things to Google Drive. Why am I making this big deal out of Google Drive? Because every single one of you has a mail.ccsf.edu account, and that is a Google account, which means that all of you have a Google Drive that is associated directly with school. I think you should keep all of the documents related to your schoolwork at City College in that Google Drive. I'm a big fan of organizing things by folders. Whatever system you want to use is fine. But if you have an iPhone, that means that you should probably download the Google Drive app. It's free. So you would go into the App Store, you would search for Google Drive, there it is, and it's the second one down here. And of course, I already have it, but you would download it, it's free, and then you can log into it using your City College credentials. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to get out of the App Store and we need to go into the Files app. So I have that here. And you'll notice that right at the top, it lists the locations. So these are the locations that you can save to that are currently active in Files. And you'll see very clearly Google Drive is not among them. So I tap on this circle with the 3 dots in it in the upper right-hand corner, and I click on Edit. And I want to activate Google Drive. You'll notice I also have Dropbox, but I no longer use Dropbox. So I'm going to activate Google Drive and click Done. Now Google Drive is an option for me to save things to, and now I'm going to go to the native Notes app. So iPhone has a Notes app. Here it is. Okay, and I'm going to click on New App, New Note, and you'll notice here there's a little camera icon, which I'm going to tap, which gets me Scan Documents as an option. And now it's using my camera as a scanner. So you can see I've got this super sophisticated document here, and it's on rectangular paper. And you'll notice that the camera automatically tries to guess where the piece of paper is. So it did a pretty good job with these two. And you see, I could keep scanning. I could scan as many pages that I would like, but I'm just interested in doing a 2-page document. So I'll stop here. And you see down here at the bottom, I'm going to click Save, where it says Save To. To put this into my Google Drive, I tap on the little box with the arrow going out of it. I scroll down, and where it says Save to Files, I tap on that. And now I set Google Drive, and from there, I will let you all do what you need to do. So you can see that I have all kinds of folders. So you could make a folder, right? You could make a Fall 2020 folder. Inside that, you could have a folder dedicated to Math 90. And maybe even inside that, you could have folders dedicated to quizzes, exams, graded work, whatever you wanted. So I'll let you take it from here. Once you've got it in Google Drive, you can upload it to Canvas. So that's what I wanted to show you here. I hope it's helpful, and I will see you all next time. Bye.